Revolvers are ideal for self-defense since they are reliable, robust, and powerful. They are designed to be lightweight for easy transport while also having a larger capacity for more rounds when you need them the most. So without further ado, here are our top 5 picks. Smith & Wesson Model 360 PD. The Smith & Wesson Model 360 PD revolver is a lightweight and powerful revolver ideal for concealment or as a backup weapon. It is popular among both law enforcement officers and citizens due to its tough construction, dependability, and versatility. The weight of the Model 360 PD is an important element. Its aluminum alloy frame and titanium cylinder and barrel make it extremely lightweight and portable. This makes it an excellent alternative for anyone looking for a dependable and powerful firearm that will not weigh them down. The Model 360 PD is chambered for .357 Magnum ammo, a powerful and well-known caliber. It also features a 5-round magazine, which is plenty for most self-defense situations. The Model 360 PD has a double-action trigger system, which means the trigger does 2 things. It cocks the hammer and it fires the gun. This makes it extremely simple to use, particularly for individuals who are new to firearms or have minimal familiarity with revolvers. The Model 360 PD's modest profile is another wonderful feature, which means there are no protruding sights or hammers to catch on clothing or other items. This makes it ideal for covert carry, when a low profile is essential. The Smith & Wesson Model 360 PD has a number of safety devices in place to avoid accidental discharge. The gun has a transfer bar safety, which prevents the gun from being fired unless the trigger is pressed. The gun also has a manual safety that can be activated to avoid accidental fire. The Smith & Wesson Model 360 PD also offers a variety of shooting-friendly features. The gun has a smooth trigger pull and a comfortable grip, which aids in recoil reduction and accuracy. The front and rear sights are very simple to align, which is essential for precise shooting. Overall, the Smith & Wesson Model 360 PD is a great option for anyone looking for a dependable, lightweight, and powerful revolver for self-defense or concealed carry. Ruger LCRx. The Ruger LCRx is a compact and flexible revolver ideal for covert carry or as a backup weapon. The weight of the Ruger LCRx is an important attribute. Its aluminum alloy frame and stainless steel cylinder and barrel make it extremely lightweight and portable. The LCRx's cylinder is constructed of stainless steel, which increases longevity and corrosion resistance. This makes it an excellent alternative for anyone looking for a dependable and powerful firearm that will not weigh them down. The LCRx is chambered in .38 Special Plus P ammo, a potent and well-regarded cartridge. The LCRx is available in a number of different calibers. It's also available in .357 Magnum, 22 long rifle, and a 9mm. It also features a 5-round magazine, which is plenty for most self-defense situations. This range of calibers allows gun enthusiasts to choose the ideal match for their needs. The exterior hammer is one of the LCRx's most distinguishing features. This hammer supports both single-action and double-action shooting, providing the shooter with greater control and versatility. In terms of sights, the LCRx sports a ramp front sight and an adjustable rear sight. This enables precise aiming and accuracy, making it an excellent choice for target shooting. The LCRx's modest profile is another outstanding feature. It's snag-free, which means there are no protruding sights or hammers to catch on clothing or other items. This makes it ideal for covert carry, when a low profile is essential. The Ruger LCRx is a great choice for anyone looking for a dependable, lightweight, and powerful revolver for self-defense or concealed carry. Kimber K6S. The Kimber K6S is a beautiful and modern revolver that is ideal for covert carry or as a backup weapon. Because of its high-quality craftsmanship, dependability, and accuracy, it is a favorite option among gun enthusiasts and law enforcement professionals. The K6S is a 6-shot double-action revolver chambered in .357 Magnum with a tiny chassis and a 2-inch barrel for concealed carry self-defense. Kimber bills it as the world's lightest production 6-shot revolver, with excellent ergonomics, a smooth match quality trigger, and a satin finish. Its frame and barrel are both composed of stainless steel, and it has an unloaded weight of only 23 ounces, yet still has room for 6 rounds of .357 Magnum in its cylinder. The construction of the Kimber K6S is one of its distinguishing qualities. Its all stainless steel frame and cylinder make it extremely durable and capable of handling a wide range of ammunition. This also provides it a sleek and modern appearance that distinguishes it from other revolvers on the market. The K6S is a double-action revolver, which means the trigger serves 2 purposes, that is, cocking the hammer and discharging the gun. This makes it extremely simple to use, particularly for individuals who are new to firearms or have minimal familiarity with revolvers. If you're searching for a small and powerful revolver that's easy to carry and shoot, the Kimber K6S is a good option. Its lightweight design, large capacity cylinder, and strong cartridge make it a popular choice among users. The Kimber K6S revolver is a dependable and accurate weapon that is ideal for concealed carry or home defense. Chiappa Rhino 200DS. The Chiappa Rhino 200DS is a one-of-a-kind and revolutionary revolver that is ideal for anyone searching for a dependable and accurate revolver. It's a favorite among gun lovers and police enforcement professionals because of its unique design, high-quality manufacturing, and exceptional performance. The Rhino 200DS is a double-action revolver with a low-profile barrel design. The bore axis is lowered in this configuration, which decreases recoil and increases accuracy. The barrel is also located at the bottom of the cylinder, giving the gun a unique feel when compared to other revolvers. The barrel placement of the Chiappa Rhino 200DS is an important characteristic. Unlike traditional revolvers, the barrel is aligned with the bottom chamber, reducing muzzle rise and recoil. This makes it incredibly easy to operate and shoot accurately, even with heavy ammunition. This design also reduces recoil and increases accuracy, making it ideal for target shooting. The Rhino 200DS is chambered for .357 Magnum ammo, a powerful and well-known caliber. It also carries a 6-round magazine, which is plenty for most self-defense situations. The Rhino 200DS's structure is another outstanding characteristic. It is lightweight and sturdy due to its aluminum alloy frame and stainless steel cylinder and barrel. This also provides it a sleek and modern appearance that distinguishes it from other revolvers on the market. It's easy to understand why it's such a popular choice among gun fans, with its revolutionary barrel design, adjustable sights, and comfortable grip. In general, the Chiappa Rhino 200DS is a wonderful choice for anyone looking for a dependable, accurate, and inventive self-defense or concealed carry revolver. Taurus Model 327. The Taurus 327 is a new double-action single-action revolver chambered in .327 Federal Magnum. 2 and 3-inch barrels are also available. The matte black carbon steel or stainless steel barrel, cylinder, and frame are complemented by a recoil-absorbing rubber grip that is both pleasant and effective in a compact handgun configuration. The Taurus 327 front serrated ramp sight and no-snag rear sight channel allow for quick and accurate target acquisition. The Taurus 327 has a 2-inch barrel, a pinned and a fixed rear sight notch. The Taurus Model 327, which was in production from January 2022, is also tiny and lightweight. It has a powerful .31 caliber cartridge. Unloaded, the overall length is 6.55 inches, the height is 4.8 inches, and the weight is 22 ounces. The recoil-absorbing soft rubber grip gives comfort and great retention in a compact pistol frame. When the cylinder is closed, the 327 has an exposed and serrated hammer, a serrated cylinder release on the left side of the frame, a wider trigger shoot, and an ejector rod placed within the barrel underlug. There is a replaceable serrated front sight blade on top of the barrel and a fixed back sight incorporated into the top of the frame for sights. While it is not the most compact concealable revolver on the market, it is small enough to be tucked away out of sight while still having enough mass and size to maintain handling. Taurus's .327 revolver provides multi-caliber flexibility, convenience of use, and the simplicity that revolvers are known for. The Taurus Model .327, in addition to its lightweight construction and powerful cartridge, has an ergonomic grip design. It has typically gotten favorable feedback for its dependability, accuracy, and overall performance. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just starting out, this remarkable revolver is well worth considering. Do you know what is genuinely simple and has a bigger capacity like the revolvers stated in this video? Hitting the subscribe button. Are you looking for guns that are budget friendly? Then why don't you check out the video? You won't regret buying these guns for $300. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.